Now flex in, in. Well, you're still leg yielding there. That's the idea. Say, okay, so you want to supple both flexion positions, okay? Out, back in, back in, nose in, nose in. There. See if you can get the definite nose out, straighten, and then nose in. Then nose in, in. There. Good. Yes. So you should be able to loosen them into one position than the other, right?
Right.
Good. And then nose in, nose in to the left. There. Well, you're still leg yielding sideways from the track inward, okay?
Yeah.
Good.